Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone SHARICE. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing an installment video with West Kiss hair. So this is how the hair looks before I made it into a wig. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. And honestly, I can't even see. And just cut the lace off. So I'm purposely not cutting near the hairline. I'm purposely cutting a little bit further away. So, and just making like little, like going in and out with it. You guys know this already, right? Okay. So this is where we're at right now. And I'm gonna use a little bit of Gotta Be Glued. I swear by this. Now, I didn't feel the need to go ahead and go into extreme detail because we've seen me doing this multiple times where I'm installing the wig. So it's the same for every time, guys, but it's just sometimes some wigs look a little bit different. So I think it's only fair to show you guys how each wig looks when you install it using the same exact practice, which is the whole Gotta Be Glued thing and, you know, just making it look natural in the front. Now, I'm not doing baby hair, so I'll explain that a little bit more later on, but I'm not doing baby hair. So before you freak out and comment down below, watch the rest of the video. I don't know why whenever I'm doing my hair, I move my mouth. It's like the weirdest thing ever. Alright, so I'm actually getting little forehead vibes, which I don't really like. So I'm going to actually pull this back. Yes. Yeah. Right there should be good. Alright, now I'm going to use my spray bottle. I'm just going to spray this here. You can see a little bit. The roots are actually a little bit bleached. Yo, this hair bleached so quickly, which I was so shocked by. But you can see the roots are a little bit bleached, which I did go ahead and fix off camera. I didn't do it on camera because, you know, I really don't know why. This hair is super perfect for like the summertime because I'm not a fan of deep curly, deep wavy, super extremely curly hair. As far as like, you know, my frontals and wigs, I'm not a fan of that. It's just way too much work. So this hair is actually supposed to be, it's actually a loose wave. So all you need is water and to brush it out. And honestly, you can rock this for the entire week without having to go back and revamp it. So that's one thing that I really love about it. But I just can't with really curly hair. I don't know what it is. Now this part is not dry. So I'm just gonna brush that down a little bit more, like to get it back into place. Now to make that look more natural, I'm just gonna trim it up a little bit. I don't have my regular scissors, so don't laugh at me. I'm using this big old, this is my fabric scissors. I'm using it for my hair. But this little part right here, I kind of just want to trim that part a little bit. You know, little fake sideburns. This is like you want a wave, but you don't want a tight wave or an extreme wave. But you want like, you know, natural looking, pretty waved out hair. I was so full of myself right here because the hair just looks so nice. And it's really dark. I didn't even tie this at all. Not done yet. I thought I liked this whole like voluminous thing going on up here, but I don't think I do. So I'm gonna actually use my hot comb to kind of like flatten it down a little bit. So yikes, it's hot. It's hot and my hair is wet. So right now it's like cooking. Don't do this, your hair will probably fall off. But I want it to kind of fall like that, you know what I'm saying? So alright, so these are not baby hairs. Do not be confused. These are not baby hairs. What I'm actually doing is I'm kind of setting the hair. And I call it setting the hair because it's pretty much like while I have the gel and everything on it still a little bit wet, I like to curve it in that motion that I want it to go in. But what I also do is before it dries, I'll pick it up and then it'll be stuck in that form, like it'll go in that direction, but it won't be stuck there like baby hair. So don't confuse it for baby hair. We're gonna pick it up, but we want it to look really nice when it dries. So make sure you pick it up before the gel dries so that it looks nice when it's dry and not like actual baby hairs. You get what I'm saying? Do you get my drift? I hope so. You see, and it's not stuck down. So what I'm just doing is I can actually pick this hair up if I wanted to. It's not stuck down. It's not baby hairs. It's just I want it to look like a nice fresh perm. Okay, that's the idea here, right? No, actually, maybe I do want this to be a little bit voluminous. Maybe I don't know what I want. Maybe I do want it to be a little voluminous. It's not burning me. It's just a, you know, that back in the day when you say your hair hot comb and it's so close to you, so you're kind of like, you know. That's kind of how I'm feeling right now. But it's not burning me. You'll know when it's burning me because I'll have a scar on my face. Oh, okay, that burned. And then with my fabulous hairspray that I freaking swear by, I'm gonna use the Gotta Be Glued hairspray, and I'm just gonna spray this up a little bit and then kind of just play with it with the brush. I really want this hair to dry, so I'm gonna come back off camera. Well, come back in about like 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. And I want you guys to see how it looks when it's dry, because it's actually really pretty. But this is how it looks when it's wet. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my second time working with West Kids hair. I absolutely love the hair. I have no issues with it. I'm lying. The first video I did, I haven't been able to wear it because I've been like wearing this bob that I freaking love. So I haven't had time to actually wear the hair. So my aunt has worn it for 2 weeks? 2 weeks straight. She has worn the wig, okay? The only complaint she said is it's very minimal shedding, and the lace on the lace frontal is a little bit sometimes. Sometimes it's like to down when it looks really bomb, and sometimes it's kind of like, But for the most part, the hair itself is okay. If you can look past a little bit of like shedding and a little bit of like a frizzy look, then you're okay, okay? I would still wear this wig on a hot summer's day in Miami, in LA. Bars. I would still wear this wig, okay? I absolutely love it. I have, besides the little tidbits, I'm actually okay with it. So just remember that before you go ahead and spend your coin, that there is minimal shedding and it is a bit frizzy. The straight hair that I had in the first video was very hard to straighten, but once you put your back into it, it gets really straight, so you're good. Just take time to do your hair. I'm really feeling this no part look. Like, it's kind of like different for me. I might rock this for a little bit. But the hair that I have in is loose wave. I made this wig, guys. You guys know I make my own wigs. All right, so if you don't remember that, the website is down below to my website. Sorry, I'm like kind of like cross promoting right now. Honestly, I'm feeling really cute right now. I'm feeling real pop. I'm feeling really cute right now. Like, this hair is looking amazing. This is how it looks. This is how the ending result is, the wave. So do you a favor and get you some loose wave for the summer. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. I'm probably gonna have the same exact look, so I'm about to go do a Fashion Nova haul. Bye guys.